Good evening, sir. My name is Remark Emilcarte, and this evening I'm going to recite the 3 set of 10 commandments in driving. First, will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. 2. I will not pass without care on curves, nor hills, nor the views is unseen by my eyes. 3. I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. 4. Do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. 5. I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. 6. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. Last, I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every drivers and pedestrians. The second set of commandment of road safety. First, thou shalt not gaze at the phone. Thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. 3. Thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. 4. Thou shalt not taketh any chances. 5. Thou shalt buckle up thy kids. 6. Thou shalt not drive on thy bride. 7. Thou shalt not drive when one light or with faulty lights. 8. Thou shalt adhere to speed limit. 9. Thou shalt keep thy distance. And last, thou shalt practice patience. And the last set of commandments of road safety. 1. Keep right. 2. Observe road courtesy. 3. Prohibited parking. And 4. If in doubt, do not overtake. 5. The bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. 6. Rule to prevent for untangled traffic jams. 7. Observe traffic management measures. And 8. The philosophy of Pinoy driver, first come first serve vehicle. And 9. On pedestrian. And last, remember the international driving safety reminders. And that's all, and thank you.